Hey guys, how you doing? My name's Chris Rod and I'm a digital marketer. What I want to show you guys today is how to hack your social media profiles to get more free leads and sales for any type of business. So when I say any type of business, I mean any type. Whether you're a doctor, a pediatrician, you're picking up, recycled items, you're selling hot dogs on the corner, whatever the business, literally. Okay, what we're going to be doing is we're going to turn all your social profiles into a sales funnel that's going to help you guys grow your business. Our No Limits Take Action Blueprint is going to show you exactly how to hack your social profile and sell more products or services online. Okay, social profiles is a highly targeted source of leads and sales, and with every passing moment you don't take advantage of this opportunity, you're missing out on huge opportunities. Again, my name is Chris Rodriguez and I'm a digital marketer, simply looking to help your business grow. How I got started with the No Limits Take Action Now Blueprint essentially is I got tired of listening to everybody, okay? I was gurued out, I had heard it all, I had seen it all, I've watched every video on the internet that's humanly possible. I wouldn't say wasted time because it was invested time on my part and my mentality, my thought process. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to help other businesses grow their business. And the way I was able to do that was through creation of the No Limits Take Action Now Blueprint. And what it does is it helped me focus my attention on exactly how to generate leads and sales. And more so, I stopped having to go to this person and that person, 5, 6, 10 different people on how to do something. Okay, so what I've done is I've created this blueprint to help business owners essentially go to one website, to go to one person and learn the masses. Okay, it gets exhausting, it's very time consuming, it's very expensive to learn a little bit about everything from every level. So what I've done again is created the No Limits Take Action Now Blueprint, and inside this blueprint you guys are going to learn everything you need to know about not only just social media and the hacks with social media, but you're going to learn how to optimize all your social media profiles. You're going to learn how to optimize every channel that you have, whether it be through Facebook pages, groups, your YouTube channels. Are you guys ready to see how? Every time you guys interact on social media, whether it be through likes or comments, any sort of engagement, you're generating organic traffic straight to your social profiles, okay? And if your profiles aren't optimized to capture and convert those leads and sales, you guys are missing out on a tremendous amount of opportunities, okay? We have 3 simple steps. First, we're gonna go ahead and optimize your profiles. Number 2, we're gonna go ahead and connect your sales funnel or your webpage. And number 3, we're gonna drive traffic to them, okay? The best part about this all is that you guys can do it from your phone. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and click the button below and get the No Limits Take Action Now Blueprint. Now listen, I'm doing this all for less than a cup of coffee. So go ahead and grab your blueprint and I'll see you guys on the inside.